Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, we show how to copy, move, and delete in Cadence software. So first we open Cadence software. After this we import some Gerber for our tutorial. So first we go on File, Import, and Import Wizard. We set a path of Gerber. So this is my 3 Gerber. First I am take it is copper layer. Click enter and set a copper layer and its top layer. It is silk bottom layer. So I'm silk bottom. It is mask top mask layer. Mask top. Okay. Okay. Here this layer defined, and we import some A1 NC layer also. Import NC layer. So this is our NC layer, and NC layer is by default defined. So we don't need to in layer setup for set a type of NC layer. So in this video we see this all function and how to use this function in editing of Gerber. So first we start with this. It is undo function. In any Gerber editing, by default we make a mistake and delete something or move any Gerber word row or any flash at a wrong place. Then we use uh, we use this function for undo this mistake. So we see, if by mistake I am delete this area, if by mistake I am delete this area, so if we want to this undo, then we click here and first I am import Gerber. After this I am import NC layer, and I am by mistake delete this area. So we want to undo this, just one this process. So I am select this delete window and undo it. So it is as it is. So this is use of undo and this is redo. If I want to redo this delete, then use redo, but I am okay. So this is use of undo and redo, and shortcut of undo is Control plus Z. After this we see the copy, move, and delete. For the copy, move, and delete, we active layer 1 and other layer we make off. So if I want to copy this this line to this row to here, then first I am a click on copy, and in mode I am a active item and I am click on it, and this is our copy and copy it. If I want to copy, if I want to copy all Gerber layer, then I am select a window or windowsing and click all and take it here. So this is use of copy layer. I am make it undo copy window. So this is use of copy, and now we see use of this function, and it's a move function. We click on it and further select it, and I am a move here to here. So this is use of move. And if you want to do all Gerber move, then we select on move and change the mode to window and select all layer, select it, click on it and move it. So it is move. I am a second time I move and undo. So this is use of copy and move. Now delete. So for delete we press on delete, and if you want to want a single item delete, then we select mode item and click on it, so it's delete. Enter, delete, enter. If I want to all Gerber delete, then I may go on delete and change mode window and click all Gerber and enter, so delete. So this is use of copy, move and delete. And we also use this select filter for copy, move and delete, like these types. If we want in this Gerber delete only flash and only draw, only arc, only poly, then we work like this. First I am of all, and now if I want to delete only flash, then I am select flash, and now I am select all. So here we select only flash. Here in type we on only flash, draw, arc, poly are off, so it is not selected. So here we delete only flash. If we delete only draw, then we off flash and on draw, and now select. So only draw are selected for delete. Like this we also use this filter in move and copy. Now we see a second for option: add a flash, add draw, add rectangle, add circle, and also we see add arc. For this, if I want to add a flash, then I'm click on add flash, and for the flash, first we decide a decode of this flash. So I am click on it for decode. It is my Gerber decode, so I am select on this. If I am select 3.3, then I select and I am make a flash it. It is square 3.303, and this is my flash. If I am want to my manual flash, then I am go to in setup aperture and add a decode. It's a new decode of 41. Okay, this is all shape of decode. If I want to round, then I am click on round and set a size. If I want to 10 mm decode, then I am write 10 and okay. Now I am select my this decode. It is 41 number and it is 10 mm. Now add a flash. So this is my 10 mm decode. And And if I am want to add a line, then click on add. And like as a place, we also decide decode of this line. So if I am a decide decode round 0.2, then click on it, and this is our line. And if I am a click on this, then it is make line on rectangle, for rectangle and right angle. So this is a line, add a draw, and now add a rectangle, add a circle, and add a arc. So if I want to add a rectangle, then click on it and define define the decode of this rectangle. So I am select a decode of this 0.222, and I'm select it, and for add a rectangle, press click 1 and click 2. So this is my rectangle. If I want this line more, if I am want this line's width is highest, then we select the decode is like this, and now we make a rectangle. So here this rectangle decode is 3.558, and its rectangle decode is 0.222. Like this, we also add a circle, and also we add arc. So this is function of add a flash, add draw, add rectangle, add circle, and add arc. After this, we take a add a text option. If we want to then text on this Gerber, then we press text, and its take by default size is 2.5 2 2.54 2.54, and we write here our text. So I am type my channel name. So this is 3D devices, and this is unreadable. In production or in any Gerber, we decide top layer and bottom layer. So in in most of case, in top layer all text are readable, and in bottom layer all text are mirror. So if we want to the add a text in any top layer like mask, copper, or silk, then text are in readable. And if you want to add any text in bottom side, then it's in mirror. So it is for top side, and if you want to add text in bottom side, then we we press on text, and here we on the mirror. So it is mirror of this text. So this is use of this add a text. Now we have or we have two option, one rotate and mirror. We also, if this is x and this is y, so if we want to change x and y, x is for suitable of in production machine, then we rotate it, it's a 90 angle. Like we want to rotate this in 90 angle. Here x, here x axis is large, and y and y-axis is short. So if we want to make the y-axis large and x-axis short, then we rotate it at with 90 angle. So first we click on rotate and right here 90 angle and OK. Now here we on all type and take select all. So here we rotated a 90 angle. Now y-axis is y-axis value is high and x-axis value is short. It is for machine suitable. We rotate once again with 90 angle. So now it is mirror. It is use mirror. If we want to make it mirror, then we click on mirror. Here is center, direction is horizontal, and mirror also all decode. Click and we select. So this is mirror. This is use of mirror. Now we have two option: align layer and clip. So how to align layer? So first we undo all this. If in any Gerbers we have all layer like top layer, top bottom, in top mask, silk, top copper, in bottom copper, bottom silk, bottom mask, and NC layer. It must be in align all layer. If it's not in align, then we make first align all layer. We see now how to align layer. So this is my copper layer and this is my NC layer. First I am change the color of NC layer for visibility. Set color and I am set it blue. Okay. Here layer is aligned because this is my Gerber layer in red color or orange color and blue color is NC layer. So NC layer is exact center of in place of Gerber layer. So it is already aligned. So first we move one layer so it's move take. Now this layer 1 and layer 4 it is not in align. So for alignment of this layer, select first we select one decode one both on both layer. So I am take in layer 1 take this and in layer I am take this. So first I am click on align layer. I want layer 1 is my reference layer and layer 2 is my uh, move layer. So this layer 1 is move to on layer 4. So I am select first fourth layer and after this I am select first layer. So layer 1 is aligned to layer 4. Yes. So now this is layer align. It's alignment of layer. Now this is a clip function. Here we have copper areas. If I am cut some area, if I want to cut some specific area, then we use in this case we use cleave. So I am click on click and like this we cut area if we not want. If I want cut, if I want this area cut, then it is use of cliff, and now this is joint line. If any line is like this, if any line is not joint, then we use this function for joint line. Like we move one line here. Now this track is not joined. This track and this track are not joined. So we want to join this line for track. So first we'll click on joint. Okay, and first click here, and second is here. So we joined for first line, and now we joined with it. So first we click here, and second is here. We take second example for joint line. For joint line we click on joint. Okay, first track and second it joint, and here first and second, so we joined it. So this is a joint line. Use of line joint, and this is a change origin. Here is by default our origin is here. Here xy coordinate is 0 0. If I want to originate at center, then I am click on change origin and press here. So now my origin is at the Gerber center. This is option of group, new group, add to group, remove from group, and clear group. So if I want to some specific area or specific decode for editing, copy, delete, then first we make a group. For make a group, I'm select on group and select any decode. Like I want to this line in my group, this area also, and this area. I will make a group of this 4 decode, and now I want to copy this old decode to here. Then I am go to copy, and here in normal we have 3 option: item, window, and window plus G. Now we make a new group, then we have fourth option is group. So I am select group, copy, and click here and take it here. So I am a copy this specific just for decode only. So we use a group function like this, and here is clear group. So I'm clear group this. Okay guys, thank you.